Today, we're going to talk about how you can actually sell an online course without having an audience. Having somewhat of an audience before launching an online course is surely an advantage. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't create and sell a course without being active on some kind of social media platform. Hi, I'm Sas from Uteach, and in today's video, I'm going to break down just a few practical ways on how you can actually create and sell an online course without being this kind of social media savvy person or without having an audience whatsoever. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. The first thing, if you're going to create an online course without having an audience at all, which is absolutely crucial, is how they like to say, attracting your ideal client. Or as many digital entrepreneurs say, becoming a client magnet. This basically means targeting a specific problem or issue your ideal client has and creating a course around it that helps them solve their issues and get results. A great example can be, let's say you are a digital marketing specialist and you're looking for people who are perhaps maybe business owners themselves or are struggling in a certain field of digital marketing, and you can create a course that helps them solve their issues, challenges, and frustrations by offering a specific solution. Say they need help with creating new strategies and leveraging and expanding their business. Obviously, these people may be experiencing stagnant growth and of course want to earn more money and revenue in their business. So you would want to attract these people by offering a specific solution just for them. And even if you are starting out on any platform you use, make sure that you specify exactly what it is that you do and who you do it for in the bio section of the social media platform you choose to create an audience on. This is so that anyone visiting you for the first time knows exactly who you are and what you can offer to them. Remember, they need to receive a clear message on the transformation you provide. And after doing so, the next step that you want to take is doing the research and development on the ideal clients that you want to attract. So let me explain how this works. You are trying to target people who are either solopreneurs or digital entrepreneurs who have stagnant growth in their business and they have many frustrations and challenges because basically they aren't making the income that they want to create for themselves. So with your knowledge and experience in digital marketing, as a digital marketer yourself, for instance, you would find the people who are seeking help in that category. And of course, you can offer them your expertise, knowledge, and experience. And of course, all of this for free. Let me explain why. When you offer someone for free and you tell them, I just want to listen to you, I want to hear what kind of problems you have, what challenges you're facing, people know that you aren't basically wishy-washy on them and you're not trying to sell them anything. And at the same time, you're actually killing two birds with one stone because you are not only creating trust and a relationship with these new potential prospects, but at the same time, you're actually simultaneously creating your course curriculum, because by doing so, you're already saving so much time by finding out what people actually want to know and what their struggles and problems are. You're basically going to find out real problems that potential clients have, and you're going to include that in your course curriculum outline. You can find these people on LinkedIn, Facebook groups. My personal favorite is Facebook groups. I think just by writing a post in a Facebook group that is categorized in a specific area helps you get sufficient information, and who knows, maybe somebody might even want to pay you upfront just so that you can train them. LinkedIn is also an amazing tool because people are constantly looking for specialists in a specific field who they can approach for coaching or business mentorship, so on and so forth. Be sure to address questions like, what do you struggle with the most? What area do you need help in? And of course, what are your biggest frustrations when it comes to doing XYZ? And after you've had a few or even a dozen few calls, what you need to do next is build an email list. And this is very crucial, okay? So please pay attention. Building an email list is actually one of the most valuable tools you are going to use, not only in your future business, but of course, when it comes to launching a product. These are going to be the people who have already spoken to you and they trust you enough. So it's quite possible that after you send them an email announcing your product or your course, they're highly likely to want to pay you for continuing to help them. Okay, so let's move forward. You've done a lot of the work and researched what your ideal clients need and want, so you can go ahead and start outlining your curriculum because many of your prospects have provided the information they would like to learn. You can also take this opportunity to email them, like I mentioned before, and announce and offer them that you have actually created a course that is targeted around the challenges and problems that they spoke to you about during your one-on-one coaching session. Now, we don't want you to give up if some people actually decline. That's actually quite normal. Many people are going to reject you. But let's be optimistic and realize that many of them actually have already built trust in a relationship with you. So a lot of them will actually be willing to pay you for this new course that you have launched based on many of their problems and many of their struggles. Just remember one thing. People aren't paying for information per se, they're paying for a transformation. So be sure to deliver exactly what it is that they are seeking. The final step, of course, is eventually selling your course. And selling should be easy, so make it easy. You can use many softwares and platforms to actually host your online course. And we here at Uteach actually offer a 14 free-day trial membership. So if you're still on the fence on what software to use to actually host your course and create a landing page for it, then you can definitely give us a try by visiting our website, www.uteach.io, which of course is in the description box down below. We don't want you to ever give up because it's kind of like building a muscle. Every time you launch a product, you launch a course, and you build a relationship, you take the time, you execute whatever it is that you wanted to do, you are highly likely going to succeed once and for all. You may only sell to 10 people during your first round, but never give up because during your second round, it can skyrocket into 10 or maybe 50 or even 100 people. Always be sure to ask for testimonials because these testimonials are actually going to help you build momentum and a lot of hype around the course that you are selling. So let's say when you sell for the second time around, a new visitor can actually see a few testimonials, and this will engrave trust in their subconscious system that you are actually an authority figure, and they too can also experience that same transformation themselves. So the bottom line is, be sure to nurture every single client, even if it's one client who actually pays you to help them. I hope that today's video was helpful for you, and make sure you let us know in the comments down below if you ever sold an online course without actually having an audience on any social media platform. We'd love to hear about it and of course offer as much help and information as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and of course, I'm Sauce from Uteach, and we'll see you next time.